Dear students, in the previous class you have studied about profit and loss appropriation account. That account we will prepare when only in partnership business. Why? Because special adjustments will come in profit and loss appropriation account related to interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on loan of partners, and also remuneration like salary or commission. To do these adjustments, we will open profit and loss appropriation account. When we are doing that problem, I explained you about interest on drawing a bit. Interest on drawing, when they will give you the amount, then only I told you to take. Why? Because the method of calculating interest on drawing is entirely different. In the partnership business, partners will withdraw money for their domestic use. But for that, interest will be charged only when it is mentioned in the agreement or partnership deed, or else no partners should pay interest on drawing. So when the deed provides, they will fix in the deed what is the rate of interest for drawing. Okay, so to calculate interest on drawing in partnership, there are three methods. First one is direct method, and it is also called as specific period method. Second one is product method, and the third one is average period method or shortcut method. So there are three methods of calculating interest on drawings of the partner. The first one, direct method or specific method. Second one, product method, and the next one is average method or shortcut method. When the drawings are not in a regular time, for example, a partner will withdraw money sometime in the month of in the month of April, then he will withdraw June, and next he will withdraw on December, and again he will withdraw on February. That means irregular period means we need to follow these two methods to calculate interest on drawing. Which one? Direct method and product method. So under these two methods, when the drawing amount is not withdrawn in a regular interval, then we need to calculate interest on drawing under direct method or product method. But for your examination sake, just you need to learn about direct method. For exam, they will ask you about product method only. When the amount of drawing, when they will withdraw drawing amount regularly, say for example at the beginning of every month or at the end of every month or at the middle of every month, means that is a regular period, right? At that time we need to calculate interest on drawing under this method. Which method? Average period method or shortcut method. Okay, so to find out, to calculate interest on drawing, for each method there is a different formula. Depending upon the formula, we will calculate interest on drawing of each partner. Let us study now the first one, direct method or specific period method. Just you are learning this, but for the sake of examination, they will ask you product or average method. Under direct method, the formula to calculate interest on drawing is amount of drawing into outstanding months into rate of interest. Rate of interest will be fixed in their agreement, and they will mention in the agreement that rate of interest they will give you in the problem, and amount of drawing also they will give you in the problem. This will be suitable when their drawing is like very few in a year. Say for example 3 times or 4 times, but it should not be a regular one. Okay, when they will withdraw 3 to 4 times in a year, then this method is suitable. Amount of drawing they will give you, and outstanding months. Outstanding months means when they will withdraw drawing from that date till the end of the year, that is considered as outstanding months. Say for example, now they have withdrawn rupees 5,000 on 1st June, but the year ending is on 31st March, means now the outstanding month will start from 1st June, means that month you need to include June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March till 31st March. So outstanding months will become 10 months. Suppose they have withdrawn money on say 31st July. Then what you need to do is you need to exclude that month. Why? Because that is the last date of that month. So leave it and start from which one now? August. August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. How many months now? 8 months. So to calculate outstanding month, you should consider the date whether it is at the beginning or at the ending. If it is at the ending, then leave that month and start from the very next month. If the amount of drawing is at the beginning of the month, then add that month and then count till the end of the accounting period, year ending date, whatever they have given. Sometimes they will give you 31st March as a year ending date, or else sometimes they may give you 31st 12 as a year ending date. So just read the questions carefully and just check which is the year ending date, and then find out outstanding months. Rate of interest is given. Say usually they'll give 6%, 5%, 8% like that. So whatever they will give, that you need to take into consideration. So we can understand this when we will do the problem. So now let us take an example. So direct method means interest on drawing. Under direct method, interest on drawing can be calculated by multiplying amount of drawing into outstanding months into rate of interest. And this is suitable when they will withdraw drawing few times in a year, that too in a irregular period. Let us understand this by solving one problem related to this. Yes, here is an example. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses equally. A withdrew the following amounts during the year ended 31st 3, 2017. On 1st April 2016, rupees 6,000. On 1st July 2016, rupees 4,000. On 30th November 2016, rupees 3,000. On 20th February 2017, rupees 1,000. The specified rate of interest on drawing is 8% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing. Calculate interest on drawing. Dear students, today I will send you the notes of the previous class. After that, you just copy this in your notebook. Okay. So after this one, you just now you note down in your rough book, and later you can copy the same problem to your notebook. Okay. So now two partners are there, A and B, but here they have given the drawing of only A. So this you need to find out under direct method or direct method. Calculate interest on drawing under direct method. Okay. Now to calculate the interest on drawing under direct method, what is the formula? Amount of drawing into outstanding months into rate of interest. Outstanding month we need to calculate for C. Then he has withdrawn amount how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So 4 times also you need to calculate outstanding month, but all the cases the rate of interest will be same. For all the months the rate of interest is same. It will not change at all. It is how much? 8%. Okay. So to do this, what we can do is we can put one column so that it is easy for us to calculate, and there only we can calculate the amount and later we can add it and write it for the final. For that, the column will be like this. So to do that problem, if you do if you put one box like this, and then you can solve it very easily. First column, before that we need to write the heading. Whose drawing we are calculating now? We are calculating A's drawing. So that's why write the heading here. Calculation of interest on drawing of A. Okay. After that, make columns like this. First will be date of drawing. Next will be amount of drawing. Next, outstanding month. In the last one, write the formula. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing. Last I forgot to write this. Just you add that amount of drawing into outstanding month divided by 12 into rate of interest. This you need to write it in the last column, so that it is easy for us. Finally, we can add everything and we can write it as a total as a interest on drawing of A. Let us start now. Date of drawing. What is the first drawing date? First drawing date is on 1st April 2016. April means which month? Jan, Feb, March, April. April means 4th month. So year is 2016. Amount of drawing how much? 6,000. Right here 6,000. Second date. What is the second date? 1st July. 1st July means 1. July means which month? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. So it is a 7th month. So 2016. Amount of drawing 4,000. Next one. 30th November. 30th November means it is the last. It will come at last. That is a 11th month. So the date is 30th 11 2016. How much? 3,000. Next one. Last one is on 28th February. 28 means 28. Which month it is? Second month 2017. Amount of drawing 1,000. It is 1,000. Now you need to calculate which one? Next column you need to fill. That is outstanding month. Outstanding month means start from here. 1/4. 1/4 means fourth month should be included or excluded. The date is first. When it is a first, we need to include that month. So from 4th till the end of the year. End of the accounting period is how much? They have not mentioned. When they have given 28th February 2017 means here they have given year ending date. It was 31st 3 2017. So we need to calculate from this month till the end of the year. So let us start from now. Month 4, that is 4th month we need to include because the date was first date. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. How many months? Total, all one in a year there are 12 months. That 12 months also will come here as a outstanding months because it is at the beginning of the year. Okay. Now let us come for the next one. Next one is which one? 1/7. 1/7 means July, right? So start from July. You need to end it on March 31st. Okay. July means that month we need to include or exclude? We need to include. Why? Because it is on 1st. So July you need to include. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. Total it will become how many outstanding months? 9 outstanding months. Okay. After that come to the next one, which is that 30th 11. 11 is nothing but November. Okay. See the date now. It is on 30th. 30th means end of that month. So you should not take November now because this is the last date of that month. it will start from the next month. The next month is which one? December. December, January, February, March. Total how many months now? 4 months. Okay. Now, after that, come to the next one. Next one here, what is the date? 28th February. 28th to. So, it is also the last date of that month. That's why we need to exclude that month and we need to start from the next month. Next month after February, which one? March. Only 1 month because our year ending date is 31st 3 2017. So here it will come how many outstanding months? Only 1. Okay. After doing this, let us come here. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into outstanding month divided by 12 into rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest is how much it is given here? Rate of interest is 8%. Okay, let us start doing the problem now. So, amount of drawing how much? 6,000. 6,000 into outstanding months how much? 12 by 12 into rate of interest how many percent? 8%. 8 divided by 100 is equal to, okay, next one, second one, how much? 4,000 amount of drawing into outstanding months how much? 9 divided by 12 into rate of interest 8% divided by 100. Next one, 3,000 amount of drawing is 3,000 into outstanding month 4 divided by 12 into rate of interest 8 by 100 is equal to, next 1,000 into outstanding month 1 divided by 12 into rate of interest 8 by 100. Now take your calculator and calculate for each and everything now. 6,000 into 12 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 100. Next one, 4,000 into 9 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 100. Like this, calculate for all the 4 months and then take a total of that. Okay. Did in your calculator? Okay. Let us see. 6,000 into 12 by 12 into 8 into 8 by 100 means it will come how much? 480. Next one. 4,000 into 9 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 100 means it will come 240. Next one. 3,000 into 4 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 100 means it will come 80. Last one, 1,000 into 1 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 100 means it will come to you in your calculator 6.6666, correct? So don't take after the point, just you can stop before that only. Make it round off. 6.66 means you can make it as it is more than 5, so that you can consider one number more. 6.66 means you can consider it as one number more, that is 7. Okay, after the point it is not necessary to take. So now after doing all these things, now take a total of this. How much it will come? 7. It will come 807. So total interest on drawing amount of A is how much? 807. Interest on drawing of A is how much now? It is 807. First step, you need to write the date of drawing. Second step, write the amount of drawing. Third step, find out the outstanding months. Next step, apply the formula and find out interest on drawing of each drawing. And lastly, add all and write it the total for one complete year. One complete year, what was his interest on drawing amount. Got it? So this is about direct method. So we can learn this by doing one more problem also. Can we do it now? Okay. Here is a one more example of the calculation of interest on drawing under direct method. Let us see. Once we'll read the problem. Ram and Beam are partners. Beam has withdrawn following amounts for his personal use. On 1/8/2018, rupees 8,000. On 31st/10/2018, rupees 6,000. On 1/12/2018, rupees 4,000. On 31st/3/2019, rupees 5,000. The accounts of the firm closed on 31st/3/2019. 31st/3/2019. Interest is charged on drawing at 6% per annum. At 6% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing of beam under direct method. Under direct method. So two partners here, but among two, their amount of drawing is given for only one partner. Who's that partner? That is beam. So we need to calculate interest on drawing of whom now? Beam. So first thing, to do the problem, what we need to write? We need to write the heading. Without writing the heading, don't start the problem at all, because we need to see here whose drawing it is. Okay. So the heading is what? Calculation of interest on drawing of beam. Okay. First thing, what we need to write down first? First, we need to write the date of drawing. Okay. Date of drawing. First one. Which is that date? 1/8/2018. 1/8/2018. Amount of drawing is 8,000. Second date. See, here the problem is given like this. A, B, C, D. While writing here, you should take into consideration, you need to write it in a chronological order only. Don't write like this. First this, second this, third this and fourth this. Not like this. You need to write down like in a chronological order. First, which month will come? 8th will come. Later, which one will come? 10 will come. After that, which one will come? 12. Then, which one will come? 3. Because the year ending date they have given 31st/3. So, while writing here also, that one more thing you should keep it in mind, that it should be in a chronological order. How you are writing it in your journal entry. In the journal entry also you are writing everything in a chronological order. The same way you need to follow here also. You can't write first 8, then 12, then 10, then 3. Okay. So, it should be 8, then 10, then 12, then 3. Okay. So, now 1/8/2018, it is 8,000. Next is which one? 31st/10. Okay, right here 31st/10/2018. What is the amount? 6,000. Later on 1/12/2018. Next date is 1/12/2018. What is the date? 1/12/2018, and the amount was 4,000. Last date 31st/3/2019. Amount rupees 5,000. Amount rupees 5,000. After this, what is your next step? Next step is finding out the outstanding months. Okay. Start taking the first one. 1/8. 1/8 means, before that year ending date I have underlined here, that is 31st/3. That means if you start from 8 means that should end in 3. Okay, let us calculate now outstanding month. 1/8 means first the date they have given 1. 1 means you need to include that month because that is the beginning of that month. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 1, 2 and 3. Totally how many outstanding months now? Total now 9 outstanding months. Once again I will tell you, this is first date, that's why we need to include that month, and from this month till the end of the year date is 31st 3. So if we include this month, we need to start from 8 only. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So outstanding months will be 9. Okay, next one. The next date is 31st. 31st means first thing we need to consider that we should not take this month. Why? Because that is the last date of that month. So 31st you leave it. 31st means 10th month we need to exclude. We need to start from the very next month, 11th month, and till the end of the year. End of the year is 31st 3. Okay. We need to start from 11th because we should not take 10th month because it is the last day of that month. So start from 11th. 11th, 12th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. How many months? 5 months. Okay. Next. After that, next date is which one? 1/12. 1 means beginning. Beginning means we need to take into consideration of that month. Which month it is? 12th. So we need to include that 12th month. So 12, 1, 2 and 3. How many months? 4 months. Okay. We need to consider why? Because this is the beginning date. So we need to consider this month. This is the last date. That's why we need to exclude this month and we need to start from the next month. Okay. Now the last date is on 31st. 31st 3. 31st 3 means which date it is? Year ending date. When it is a year ending date, usually this is the last day of the year. So you can't calculate interest on drawing in this period because it is a very last day. So for this you will charge interest on drawing in the next year. But they have not mentioned. Our year ending date is 31st 3. So in this year, no need to charge interest on drawing for this amount because this is the last day of the year. That's why here no outstanding month at all. For which one? 31st 3 2019 for rupees 5,000. When the amount was withdrawn at the last day of the year, so for that no outstanding month will be there and you can't charge interest on drawing for this in that year. Okay. Now after doing this, let us apply our formula. What is that formula? Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into number of outstanding month divided by 12 into rate of interest. Okay. Now the first one. What is the amount of drawing? 8,000 into outstanding months 9 divided by 12 into rate of interest how much? 6%. Now they have given 6%. So take now 6 divided by 100. Next, after that, second one. Second one, amount of drawing 6,000 into outstanding months 5 divided by 12 into rate of interest 6 is equal to. Next one. How much? 4,000. Amount of drawing 4,000 into outstanding months 4 divided by 12 into rate of interest how much? 6%. 6 by 100. Next, amount of drawing 5,000. Outstanding month 0 divided by 12 into 6 by 100 is equal to. So here Now take your calculator and do it in your calculator. 8000 into 9 divided by 12 into 6 by 100. How much it will come? Now, wait, how much it will come? 8000 into 9 by 12 into 6 by 100 means it will come 360. Correct? Next, 6000 into 5 by 12 into 6 by 100 means it will come 150. Next one, 4000 into 4 divided by 12 into 6 by 100 means it will come 80. That means 79.999 will come. Make a round off. 79.9 means after the point it is 9. That means more than 9. When it is more than 5. When it is more than 5, this number you need to increase one more. So it is 79 and it will come for 80. One number you need to increase because this is more than 5. Round off you are doing. So 80. Next one, 5000 into 0 by 12 into 6 by 12. How much it will come? It will come 0 because if you do any multiplication or division, the answer will come 0 only. So much big calculation also, the final answer will be 0. Okay. Now add it and write the total, and that is considered as interest on drawing. That is considered as interest on drawing. Here ends your one more problem. I think this is a easy one for you because not much. Just you need to remember the formula, apply the values and find out the answer. So this is under direct method. Okay. Now let us see the next method, that is product method.